Did you know that you can produce a year's worth of YouTube content in just 1 month? What if I told you can do that? You can create a year's worth of YouTube videos in just 30 days without even burning out. Sounds impossible, right? Any content creator knows for a fact that this is possible. And what I'm about to share with you in this video is what actually allowed them to continue growing their channel, being able to manage multiple channels, maintain a posting schedule, and even managing their side hustles or businesses. Hello everyone and welcome to another video. If you are an aspiring content creator, the idea of making 52 videos in just 3 weeks or even 30 days might sound crazy. And honestly, I get it. When I first started, I thought the same thing, but full-time YouTubers do this all the time. It is the exact strategy that allows them to grow their channel, manage multiple platforms, and even run businesses all while traveling, spending time with family, and living their best lives. Think about it for a second. Most successful YouTubers don't just have one channel. They've turned their online presence into empires, launching businesses, selling products, and even building communities. They're not superheroes. They're not superhumans. They are just normal people, just like you and me, but they've mastered the art of working smarter. Many will even say they have teams to help them. Well, that is true. I totally agree with that, but they didn't start that way. Every successful YouTuber began alone, doing everything themselves, filming, editing, uploading, you name it. It wasn't until they started earning a steady income that they could afford to hire someone to help them. Let's admit, even with a team, they wouldn't have succeeded without an efficient workflow. Every move they make is strategic and designed to maximize productivity. That's why it seems like they're working 24/7. Still, they're traveling, attending events, and living their best lives, which obviously they can afford. But how? Well, actually, they cracked the code. Growing a YouTube channel isn't about working harder. It's about working smarter. Some YouTubers even shared that they earn 6 figures a month while dedicating just 6 hours a week to manage all of their channels. Sounds unreal, right? Well, let me tell you how they did it. To grow on YouTube, you need content. To grow with shorts, you need to post at least 4 shorts a day. To grow using long videos, post at least 1 video per week. Combine both and you will see even faster growth. Creating content requires a solid plan. It starts with generating ideas, writing, filming, editing, and optimizing. For 52 videos, that means 52 ideas, 52 scripts, and 52 edits. Sounds overwhelming, right? It is, but it's precisely what successful creators did to get where they are today. So, are you ready to do the same? If you are, here's how you can make it happen. Strategic content. Did you notice that 70% of the content successful YouTubers share is evergreen content? That means it never goes out of style and can be posted anytime. This allowed them to maintain a consistent schedule. So, how do you come up with 52 evergreen content ideas? Meet your new best friend, AI. Tools like ChatGPT and recently DeepSeek can save you hours of brainstorming. Here's the prompt I used. I have a YouTube channel focused on productivity and self-improvement. I need 52 evergreen content ideas and another list of 52 trending topics for 2025. Include sections, chapters, real examples, and references for each video. Organize everything in an Excel sheet. And guess what? It worked like charm. So the brainstorming part done. Now let's move to the creative process. I've created a video about how you can create a professional YouTube script, so make sure to check it. And then with AI-generated sections and chapters, all you need to do is add your personal touch. Research references, collect visual assets, and organize everything using a filing system. Time required 2 hours per script, so you need 104 hours for 52 scripts. Here's a pro tip. Use dictation to write faster and find inspiration from your surroundings. Number 2, batch filming. Set up a shooting space and film multiple videos in one go. For example, on a Saturday, you could shoot 7 videos back to back. Time required 30 minutes per video, including retakes and breaks. All you need is 4 hours to shoot 7 videos. Don't forget to shoot B-rolls to build a stock for future videos. Editing made simple. Keep your editing process straightforward. Create a template and presets to save time. Once a video is ready, upload it and optimize it using tools like TubeBuddy. Schedule your videos to publish weekly so your audience knows when to expect new content. Then, You need to work on the thumbnails, which you can produce in just a few minutes. Use Canva to create eye-catching thumbnails. Find a template, customize fonts and colors, and you're done in under 10 minutes. Tackling trending topics. With your evergreen content schedule, you will have time to cover trending topics. Follow the same process and post the trending video as an exception without disrupting your schedule. You can either post both videos in the same week or reschedule the evergreen one. Does this sound overwhelming? It might, but remember, every successful YouTuber started where you are now. They built a system and worked smart. You can do the same, by the way. So what do you think? Could you see yourself creating a year's worth of content in just 1 month? Let me know in the comments below. I hope you found this content helpful. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.